The hair is finally dry. It is so beautiful. I wanted you guys to see the luster on the hair. It's so gorgeous. I'll take this bundle. I got it to where the lightning is really good on the hair. But it just bounces so pretty. It's got like this curl pattern at the bottom. I just ordered wavy. And it's really, really pretty. I'm just so in love. So pretty. And I have 4 bundles. 28, 28, 26, and 24. And I'm about to make my wig. And I'll show y'all kind of how I'm doing it. You see some human gray in it. Excuse my nails. Alright.